Hello, this video was filmed on the 19th of July 2025 at the Royal International Air Air Show in the UK. The helicopter in video is the Czech Air Force W-3 Sokół helicopter, a medium twin-engine multi-role helicopter developed by the Polish company PZL-Świdnik during the 1980s. After the end of the Cold War, the Czech Republic began modernizing its aging helicopter fleet and introduced the W-3A series in the late 1990s. The first helicopters entered service around 1996, and more aircraft were delivered in the following years. Today, the Czech Air Force operates around a dozen W-3A helicopters and upgraded variants. These include search and rescue versions, as well as medical evacuation models. The W-3A has a maximum takeoff weight of about 6.4 tons. Its top speed is approximately 260 km per hour with a maximum range of around 730 km. The helicopter can carry up to 12 fully equipped soldiers or be used for casualty evacuation and cargo transport missions. Thanks to its reliable performance and all-weather capability, the W-3A has been widely used for mountain rescue, flood relief, and air patrol missions inside the Czech Republic. It has also participated in NATO exercises and international operations. Although the Czech military has started introducing newer Western helicopters in recent years, the W-3A still plays an important role in search and rescue and support missions. It remains one of the most recognizable utility helicopters in Czech Air Force service. Please continue enjoying the video and feel free to click like and subscribe my channel for more video.